Lissoi Bee Travel.
Hello.
Hello. Lissoi Bee Travel
Lissoi Bee Travel.
in Bali right now, guys. So
At
if
the
you wanna come,
moment.
just come here. Here is really good place. Where we are, that's the good vibes. Okay, choose. Huh? Ini dessert. You want dessert? Nanti aja. Nanti aja lah. Nanti aja. Maybe miskin lapar. Where we are?
Where we are? We are in Sidemen on a Sunday morning.
Yeah. So what you do?
We have some day trip planning because we want to see like more the Balinese culture in here. We had some warung wisma bojana.
What you eat?
And I eat satay.
What satay?
Ayam
Ayam.
with rice.
Yep.
How about you?
How is it?
It was good. How about you? What did you eat?
Chicken bututu.
What is bututu?
Balinese bumbu.
Balinese bumbu. How was it?
Lekker.
Lekker. Bagus.
Bagus.
It's now in November, like in the half of November, and it just started to rain. It's really sad. Good for the plants, good for the nature, because it's really dry now everywhere.
It's too hot.
Too hot.
Like you.
What is this kind of conversation? Say
Yes,
hi.
guys, that's the view.
Let's show the view. Okay, so like 5 minutes later, strong rain.
Yeah, it's raining. Before it's already stopped, but when you wanna go, start going, and then yeah, it's raining again. We are packed up now.
Look, this kid in here.
Oh yeah. Almost 4 days. They will be happy.
So the rain stops, right?
Yeah, the rain is stopped, the sun coming.
And then we see two different things. The first one was...
First one, we see the people how to make a sarong.
Yeah.
They myself. Pass on the road and we saw the people like a harvest the rice field, but they do like with old style, you know, like they need to hit on the things. But in my village we use the machine, so they just easy way, but this is a bit more harder.
So they take it and then they hit.
Yeah.
Why they hit?
So the rice can fall over from the things.
So what they do with the rest, with the...
This one they can do like some, like how is it? Fertilizer, like some good for maybe like coffee, like for the fertilizer, or they burning.
And I see she's also doing it by hand on the floor.
Yeah, because more fast, you know, like they work, all of them, you know, like they work together.
Wow. Hard work.
Yeah, it's really hard work. So
we go back on the road again.
Yep. Stay tuned with our channel. Now we are in Gambling Waterfall. Let's check it out. Where we are?
I don't know the name.
Gambling.
Gambling Waterfall.
Oh, so we wanna go.
Like tropical. Look behind and front.
Oh, jungle style.